Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. So right off the bat, I want to say hope you're all having a great weekend. If you haven't subscribe, comment, and uh, give me a like because it definitely helps my channel get boosted out to other people that enjoy my content as much as you guys. And with that being, also, if you want me to look at a ticker or a stock, please drop it down below, and I'll make a video about it for the TA. Sorry, I'm running, so I'm a little out of breath. But the miracle happened. I turned. I was pretty bearish on Friday. And I said that we need a miracle to happen today for us to boost to the upside like crazy. And I was looking at this specific downtrend here, right? And I wanted this was actually this candle down here on the bear side was actually under trend, but it hadn't closed yet. It immediately shot up like crazy, and it kept pushing. So I am officially back to being bullish. And me and my Patreon, we caught all this move to the upside. I think Friday was my biggest, what was actually my most profitable, um, I think trading day. It was definitely up there. Um, I made over six figures on Friday, which is super ridiculous. I had another Patreon member. I think he did like 123K, which is stupid ridiculous. Shout out to Flair, who I think on Friday, I think he ended up making like 5K on just that day, which is crazy, crazy, crazy. And again, we were all just taking, single divergence plays, right? We were all just kind of playing off ourselves and seeing where everybody else was going. And again, if you guys are part of the Patreon, you guys know that either I martingale or I'm running single divergence or full divergence if it's like on the daily and weekly. But these are some pretty crazy times right now. I'm not gonna lie. And I think Friday was probably like the most profit that anybody's ever taken from the Patreon. Collectively, I think we all made like $250,000 on Friday, which is stupid money. Um, but yeah, officially, I'm bullish again. Really, what I was looking for on Friday was this break to the downside. We never closed that candle. We got that miracle. We pushed up like crazy. I think I caught that. I bought all this. I martingale longed all this, shot up like crazy, and you actually ended up breaking trend to the upside. So as of right now, because this downtrend was broken on the 4 hour, I do think we're gonna keep rallying to the upside. I have targets of 390, 400, I think like 407, and then 416, and then 420. So as of right now, I am looking for us to go back to something to like a 403-ish. I think 400, 403. Um, and then also shout out to one of my Patreon members. His name's Steve. No stop loss Steve. Where I love talking to him because we debate a little bit about where price is going. Um, and just to be like perfectly clear, I think he's a great fucking trader. He's amazing. Um, but I do think it's gonna go past 403. He thinks that it's gonna get rejected from 403. So we'll see. I know that both of us are gonna make a shit ton of money until then, right? But at 403, I think that's where we really see some decision making from the market and stuff. I'm definitely a lot more bullish than he is. He's a lot more bearish than I am. But as of right now, still bullish. If anything, I'm even more bullish now since we broke this range and we actually had the dollar. The dollar came crashing down and it's right back under trend. And if you guys know from my previous videos, I always say if you push back above trend, come right back down. That's one of the most bearish things you guys can possibly see in the market. So as of right now, I am very, very, very bullish. I think as of right now, we are headed. My original target of 420, I think still stands for me personally. And I do think that we are definitely going to go back and retest like 413, 414, 413, 414 on the SPX. I think we're going up. I think from here, I really don't think we're going to come back down super hard. I mean, if anything, you can probably do something like this, like come back down here. I don't know, retest that and then push up, or you push up from here like that, right? But either way, I'm still pretty bullish. I'm probably going to do shorts here to hedge because we are on major resistance at 390. So I probably will hedge there. I'll open up some pretty big shorts, but for the most part, I'm still bullish. I'll see you guys later. Bye.